Welcome to your strategic guide to business buying and selling in Chennai and beyond. Greetings from VSK Business Consultants. As of today, Saturday, June 21, 2025, the business landscape in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, and indeed across India, continues to evolve rapidly, presenting both exhilarating opportunities and complex challenges. Whether you are contemplating expanding your enterprise through acquisition or orchestrating a strategic exit from your venture, the journey requires foresight, meticulous preparation, and, most critically, expert guidance. At VSK Business Consultants, led by our esteemed founder, Vijay Molly, we pride ourselves on being at the forefront of this dynamic environment. We understand the unique intricacies of the Indian market and are dedicated to empowering entrepreneurs like you to navigate these waters with confidence, making informed decisions that pave the way for lasting success. Ready to explore your options? We invite you for a free consultation. Discover how our expertise can benefit your specific business buying or selling goals. Contact us directly at 9840-336-999 or visit our website at www.vskbusinessconsultant.in to learn more and schedule your session. Let's distill the essence of successful transactions into actionable, concise advice. Here are our top 10 short tips for both buyers and sellers, designed to set you on the right path. Top 10 short tips for buying a business, VSK's Buyer Essentials for today's market in Chennai. 1. Clear vision. Define exactly what kind of business fits your strategic goals and future plans. 2. Deep due diligence. Go beyond financials. Meticulously inspect operations, legal, and market potential. 3. Secure funding. Have diverse financing options locked in, considering local Indian sources. 4. Expert team. Immediately engage a local advisory team, M&A lawyers, chartered accountants, and a strategy consultant like VSK. 5. People assessment. Evaluate the existing team's capabilities and willingness to stay post-acquisition. 6. Contract scrutiny. Thoroughly review all contracts, licenses, and intellectual property. 7. Cash flow focus. Prioritize businesses with strong, sustainable cash flow and clear growth drivers. 8. Smart negotiation. Understand the seller's true motivations and be prepared for nuanced discussions. 9. Integration plan. Develop a concrete plan for merging operations, culture, and teams before closing. 10. Market foresight. Analyze current Chennai, Indian market trends and the business's long-term competitive position. Top 10 short tips for selling a business, VSK's Seller Essentials for today's market in Chennai. 1. Early preparation. Start optimizing financials, operations, and legal affairs 1 to 2 years before listing. 2. Accurate valuation. Obtain a professional, realistic market valuation specific to the Indian market. 3. Clean books. Ensure all financial records are meticulously accurate, transparent, and audit-ready. 4. Owner independence. Structure your business so it functions efficiently without your constant daily presence. 5. Highlight value. Showcase your unique selling propositions, strong brand, and distinct competitive advantages. 6. Fix liabilities. Proactively identify and resolve any outstanding legal, financial, or operational issues. 7. Strict confidentiality. Maintain absolute discretion about the sale process to avoid internal disruption. 8. Prepared data room. Organize a comprehensive, accessible virtual data room with all necessary documentation. 9. Flexible terms. Be open to various deal structures, e.g., seller financing, earnouts, to attract more buyers. 10. Advisor partnership. Engage experienced M&A specialists like VSK Business Consultants for strategic guidance. At VSK Business Consultants, we pride ourselves on being your trusted partner throughout this transformative journey. Don't leave your most significant business decisions to chance. Take the first step today. For a free consultation, call us at 9840-336-999 or visit www.vsbusinessconsultant.in. We look forward to helping you achieve your business buying or selling goals in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, and beyond. Stay connected with VSK Business Consultants. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for expert insights and case studies. Follow our WhatsApp channel for direct updates and quick tips. Like our Facebook page for community engagement and news. Follow us on Instagram for behind the scenes glimpses and motivational content. Trust VSK Business Consultants for your next big move.